up on Wednesday, bitches! Hey, you're gonna have to wait for that.
And someone was also commenting about the RX-8 over there. Not this one though, maybe? I don't know.
What about my
This one's
black
dumb.
one's nicer, trust
That
me.
one's way nicer.
What about my RX-8, boy?
Yeah,
that's
we
why
all
it's-
know it's. Well, no one knows that it's your RX-8.
Well, that's why it's so
This is the owner of the RX-8.
It only has a 30-pound driver.
I have a rare-
Yeah, 30-pound driver. Look at this kid, built like a brick shit house.
That's why his RX-7
No, he's
so
not
fast.
actually. Are you?
Does your seatbelt light come on when you sit in the seat?
My passenger airbag doesn't turn off.
The airbag light
my
doesn't turn
God.
off.
The occupant detection system.
It works real well.
Is there a baby in the driver's seat? That's what it thinks.
The car seat would be
What are you,
heavy.
like 9 pounds
Nothing
soaking
but
wet
abuse,
with the
eh?
towel on?
Nothing but abuse.
It's my life.
What did you come here for today, James?
James is buying a.
What? I don't
caliper
even have one
tool.
of those.
You should.
Yeah.
Well,
You
better
just
than
borrows
using
mine?
a set of lockjaw pliers.
What are you using those for? Other than
Probably to do calipers, I would assume.
keep them in his house.
Use the right tool for the job. Use the tool properly. Maintain the tool regularly.
I'm just gonna speech.
Yep.
James, you're going to be famous after this.
I'm gonna get stage fright, anxiety.
You're gonna travel around, and everywhere you go, people are gonna come up. Hey, you're that guy from the video.
I don't even think I've had that yet.
Yeah, you did it.
Oh yes, I did at the Lurco Trade Show. Yes.
So what do you think of the kegerator?
I want the kegerator so bad. This thing is so cool.
So I got 2 prizes: the mic and the kegerator. Whoever I draw first can pick which one they want.
Can we take the seat off and I can ride it that way?
If you like.
It's missing a handlebar. Just so you know. I'm just joking.
It's just not on because then it doesn't fit.
Yeah. This so can you actually mount this to an Epic? No.
You know. Well, I mean, I guess you could do anything if you really want to,
right?
but that would look kind of odd in a shop. It'd be a fucking awesome shop.
Depends on where you work, I guess. Oh, that thing is so cool. Jordan,
Yeah, buddy. Is there
We
beer
sh-
in there finally?
we should win this.
Oh.
This is the kegerator.
Oh, nice. Oh, I like you. Me liking. How do you win that?
For every $100 you buy out of the sale bin, you get a ticket in the draw.
Sweet.
What are the chances of winning said draw?
That's
1
cool.
in 200.
1 in 200.
200 tickets.
Oh, jeez.
Not bad, right?
Yeah, actually.
I like it.
Yeah, that's sick.
There is a shelving unit in there, so if you just want to use it as a beer fridge, you can. But,
Oh, you can. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that.
But all the plumbing and
That's
hoses
wild.
are there.
Keys.
That's wild.
Yeah, I just want that in my. I want that in my office.
Now I just got to figure out where
You'd
to buy.
never leave your office.
Where do you buy Snap-on beer? That's the question.
Snap on beer. Or you can win the bike. You want the bike? I asked him if I could just take the seat off and ride it around.
Just ride the seat around?
No, just ride
Oh.
it without the seat.
You may have to keep it after that. What are you getting today, Joel? Well, something so that you can enter the draw for that.
Well,
sucker.
I mean, only makes sense, right?
Oh, kegs suck. If once you crack them, you drink them in a couple days, or it's
Well, I showed the wife, and she's like, "I want that too," and we could have parties and then just like charge cover. Everyone just pay me $10. We're
She's
good to
got a
go.
band, right?
well, I'll
So-
drink $10
Yeah.
worth of beer, no problem.
Yeah. Yeah, but we couldn't have the band playing in our apartment though. That's That's the shitty thing.
Get Jesse to come in and do like a.
Yeah. Jesse just come in and wear nothing but a
Oh jeez. here we
nothing but a leopard print
go. Sexy
G-string.
man, I know it.
leopard print G-string with a guitar strapped to him.
Well, at least it's a guitar.
Hey, you don't want something else strapped to him, I guess. That's a different kind of party.
Triple square sockets. Motherfucker. Could have used those yesterday on the
Yeah, what were we
door
working
strap on the Volkswagen.
on? Oh, that's right.
I just shoved the Torx in there and went for broke.
Gotta do what you gotta do to.
Yeah, but if I
Big
have
things
these,
happen.
next thing you know, they'll be like, oh, we got a Volkswagen fucking from a shop. All of
Yeah.
them. He's been stocking up on his killing attire.
This is how you lure Jesse onto the truck.
Please,
You show
it's
him.
cool.
You
I
show him
know.
knives.
I need sharp stuff, stat. Get a free tool bottle opener.
You get an eating tool or a bottle opener. You pick. Bottle opener, eating tool.
You eat with that tool? Oh yeah.
What is
Look at that. You got
Oh,
a fork
oh.
and a spoon, and
I
then
see. You got a bottle opener on it too.
whenever you lose your 10 mil, you're good to go.
I bet you that's 10 mil, 8 mil.
And it's got a bottle opener. Fuck it.
That's
Sweet.
pretty cool. For the survivalist and everyone.
That's what Jesse needs.
So here's something new that just showed up. Pull that off of there.
Holy.
You got to really yank on it. Oh, sheesh. Wow,
Yeah, keep your finger out of the back.
that's crazy, Joel.
So that's for hanging
Myself.
things off your box, creepers, and
Your hat,
whatever you want. Yeah.
your coat,
I don't think I need something
Whatever.
that strong for my hat.
extension
It
cords.
works.
Maybe 6,000 hats.
Nope. You want to throw that out?
We're gonna trade
Oh yes, upgrade.
1, 2, 3, 4 different ones, 5 different ones. 2 different red ones, 3 different black ones.
I like the first one.
This one?
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Look at that. Yes.
There you go.
Upgrade
And that
from.
goes in there.
That's where it belongs. That's where it belongs. Thank you, Mr. Tyler.
Actually, I save all that shit when we go up in the bush,
Do you? Yeah.
hang it in the trees, and blast the shit out of it.
That's funny.
What's that?
Our parts guy came out.
Yeah, yeah.
Our parts guy came out with those hats. And I said no
had
thanks.
A Mac hat, a Mac jacket, Mac banner, all this stuff. Anyway, I made a person.
That's funny. You guys got nothing
this
to eat
stuff's
smack
good
tools,
for.
I guess.
I tried it with a propane bottle. It wasn't quite as.
Tried what with the propane bottle?
It just punctures a hole in
Yeah.
the gas comes out.
I thought I was
They don't
missing it.
ignite.
Like, geez, we're all missing this propane bottle. No, we got there. It's kind of
No,
disappointing.
no source of ignition.
Super disappointing.
Jesus. You just gotta pull it or what?
You want me to hold your camera
Yeah,
while you pull that off of there, or
you,
what?
you just,
No.
You got a little run in your nylons, that's all.
Yeah.
They actually call it a coat hanger. So that's the part number.
I've been summoned.
Okay.
Back to work.
And you got a whole bunch of them too.
Yeah, yeah. Well, something new. I order in quantities. Bringing one in isn't really a promotion.
Oh, wait, there's one.
Yeah, that's not as cool. Yeah, big parties. And I will have the new thermal imager next week.
Oh yeah.
And we'll have a guest appearance from our, you know, Brandon Long,
Oh yeah.
diagnostic specialist.
Cool. Is he allowed to be on my video this time?
Should be.
Yeah. That's good. I like Brandon.
He's gonna ride with me for the week. So.
Cool.
Demonstration.
Well, depending on where we are and who we're talking to, you can either talk with the thermal imager or scan tools.
That's cool.
Did I see that the rock and roll truck is back on the road?
Yes.
Cool.
Now he is doing BC and Alberta, so
So maybe
it's kind of a challenge.
maybe we can get him to come out.
Yeah, we're looking into October at this point.
Oh yeah. Cool. We can wait. You gonna try and win the kegerator?
Oh, easier to twist.
Little
They're not gonna.
rubber rings to put on your extensions.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
That is actually quite handy.
By the time you get to what you need, your hands are too damn greasy to turn it anyways.
Where do you get something like that from besides the Snap-on dealer? This isn't a Snap-on product, is it?
No.
That's cool. I like that.
But I ordered buckets of each size.
Oh yeah.
He gave me those as samples.
Cool.
Come by the bucket.
That's a good idea.
Or a cock ring for Joel, one of the two.
Whoa. Hey now.
I can't say that.
Fucking guy.
Everyone's
No, I
gonna
don't care.
find
You can
out.
say anything you want on my channel. Anything you want, man. We just try and keep religion and politics out of it.
It's okay, I don't believe in you.
Keep it clean, basically.
I gotta get back to work, so snap on Wednesday, bitches.
Yep.
Thanks,
All right.
Cheers, buddy.
Let's do it.
Have a happy day.
All right, guys, welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. You guys saw the truck stuff. We looked at a couple of small little new items. The hanger, I guess, the coat hanger, whatever. I've seen a lot of pictures of people resting their creepers on those things. So they have a one hell of a magnet. I picked up the T0 today. And that's to get me entered into the draw so that I can get the kegerator, because hell yeah, I want the kegerator in my office. We're gonna have some hell of a party, or some hell of parties. Anyway, so yeah, I picked up the P0 or the T0. If you don't know what that is Snap-on's gearless 1/4-inch ratchet. It is the little brother to the P0, which is the 3/8 ratchet. I know the spots that I'm going to use this in too. That's the nice thing about buying the ratchet, is that I know what I'm going to use it for. You can never have enough ratchets, and here's why. Things that this doesn't do, and this thing does a lot, the TNF 72, this thing will do. So you can never have enough ratchets. I firmly believe that. You're always going to find something. You're always going to find somewhere that it needs to be, that it can fit in, and all that kind of stuff. So other than that, you guys, Jordan, excuse me, everyone, I've had a lot of comments about Jordan's Corolla. That's why I showed it in the beginning of the episode. I always get comments saying, whose Corolla is it? So it's Jordan's, by the way. It's our you know, guys know Jordan. So it's his, and he's agreed. We're gonna do a little bit of a walkthrough about it with his Corolla. We're gonna show everybody his Corolla. It's a pretty cool car. So, and his future plans for it and all that kind of stuff. And we will put that up on the channel probably early next month. So that's pretty much all I got. This episode was brought to you by Booze Tattoos and Heavy Metal. That is my other channel. Me and my buddy Scott, we sit down every couple of months or couple of weeks or whatever, and we talk about music, and we drink some beers, and we talk about tattoos and all that kind of stuff. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, head over to the channel. I will put the link up here. You guys can go check it out, subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subs so that we can get the channel monetized and stuff like that. So yeah, every click helps. So anyway, guys, that is all I got for you today on this beautiful Snap on Wednesday. It's still smoky out there. God damn. Respect for all you firefighters. There's over 400 wildfires in BC right now, and our firefighters are working overtime. So much respect to you guys and all the other crews that are coming in from all over the world to help fight our fires. We much thanks. It's crazy out there, and you guys have a pretty crazy job. So thank you. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next Snap On Wednesday. Thank you.
Oh, hey, you're still here. Cool. Well, considering you're still here, this link up here will get you subscribed if you're not already. Remember to hit that bell notification so you guys get notified when I upload a new video. This one down here, that is the merch link, so you guys can get sweet ass shirts like this. And that one right there, that is the most recommended video for your viewing pleasure. Sit back, relax, enjoy the next couple of seconds. Thank you.